Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey of unparalleled luxury and opulence. Today, we invite you to join us as we explore the world's most extraordinary hotels, destinations that go far beyond the realm of five-star luxury. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the essence of indulgence and unveil the hidden gems of hospitality. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this mesmerizing adventure. Dubai's Burj Al Arab. Our first destination transports us to the shimmering cityscape of Dubai, where the iconic Burj Al Arab stands as a beacon of opulence. Rising from its own island, this sail-shaped architectural marvel has become synonymous with luxury. As we step inside, prepare to be immersed in a world of extravagant design and impeccable service. The Burj Al Arab boasts lavish interiors adorned with gold accents, mesmerizing views of the Arabian Gulf, and an array of exclusive amenities. Indulge in a personal butler service, rejuvenate at the world-class spa, or savor the exquisite flavors of the hotel's renowned restaurants. This is a place where dreams meet reality, where luxury knows no boundaries. The Maldives, Soneva Janneh. From the glitz and glamour of Dubai, we now find ourselves in the tranquil paradise of the Maldives, where Soneva Janneh awaits. Picture yourself in a luxurious overwater villa, perched above crystal-clear turquoise waters, surrounded by endless stretches of pristine white sand. Soneva Janneh takes exclusivity to new heights, offering an escape like no other. Discover the joy of diving into your private infinity pool or slipping down a water slide that leads directly into the lagoon. Immerse yourself in the ethereal beauty of the Maldives as you explore vibrant coral reefs or indulge in a romantic dinner under the starlit sky. Soneva Janneh is a sanctuary where luxury and nature harmoniously blend, creating an unforgettable experience. Paris Ritz Paris. Our next stop takes us to the romantic city of Paris, where the legendary Ritz Paris awaits. With its rich history and timeless elegance, this iconic hotel has been a symbol of luxury since its inception. Step into a world of refined grandeur as you wander through the opulent halls adorned with stunning artworks and crystal chandeliers. Allow yourself to be transported to an era of sophistication and indulgence. From the legendary Hemingway Bar, where literary greats once gathered, to the enchanting gardens that provide a tranquil escape from the bustling city, the Ritz Paris embodies the essence of Parisian charm. Immerse yourself in the ultimate luxury as you experience the impeccable service, Michelin-starred cuisine, and the true art of savoir-faire. New York's The Plaza. From the streets of Paris, we now venture to the iconic city that never sleeps, New York. In the heart of Manhattan, the Plaza stands as a testament to timeless elegance and unrivaled sophistication. Since its grand opening in 1907, this historic landmark has been synonymous with luxury. As you step into the Plaza, you'll be captivated by its unparalleled charm and grandeur. Immerse yourself in the opulent atmosphere of the Palm Court, where you can indulge in a classic afternoon tea. Experience the height of luxury in one of the Plaza's exquisite suites, each meticulously designed to offer a seamless blend of classic and contemporary styles. And let's not forget the hotel's proximity to iconic New York landmarks, such as Central Park and Fifth Avenue. The Plaza is the epitome of New York luxury, where elegance meets modernity. The Swiss Alps Bad Rutz Palace Hotel. Our final destination takes us to the majestic Swiss Alps, where Bad Rutz Palace Hotel awaits, nestled amidst snow-capped mountains and pristine lakes. This enchanting hotel offers a winter wonderland experience like no other. Immerse yourself in a world of luxury and adventure as you hit the slopes of world-class ski resorts or embark on breathtaking hiking trails. The charm of Bad Rutz Palace Hotel lies not only in its stunning surroundings but also in its unparalleled service and attention to detail. Imagine savoring delectable gourmet cuisine while being surrounded by panoramic alpine views, or indulging in a soothing spa treatment that rejuvenates both body and soul. Badrutz Palace Hotel epitomizes alpine luxury, where you can unwind in elegance and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Swiss Alps. Tokyo's Aman Tokyo. As we venture into the vibrant city of Tokyo, we discover the epitome of Japanese hospitality at Aman Tokyo. This urban sanctuary exudes tranquility and offers a respite from the bustling metropolis. Located in the prestigious Otemachi district, Aman Tokyo boasts panoramic views of the city skyline and the serene Imperial Gardens. Immerse yourself in the minimalist elegance of the hotel's interiors, inspired by traditional Japanese design. Indulge in the rejuvenating treatments at the Aman Spa, where ancient rituals and modern techniques blend seamlessly. Whether you're savoring authentic Japanese cuisine or unwinding in your luxurious suite, Aman Tokyo offers an exquisite experience that combines the essence of Japanese tradition with contemporary luxury. Marrakesh's Royal Mansour. Our journey now takes us to the exotic city of Marrakesh, where the Royal Mansour reigns as a palace of refinement and luxury. Nestled within the ancient city walls, this magnificent hotel is a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture and craftsmanship. Each of the hotel's opulent riads offers the utmost privacy and is adorned with stunning Moroccan decor, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the country. From the serene oasis of the hotel's lush gardens to the indulgent spa, where traditional hammams and luxurious treatments await, the Royal Mansour envelops you in a world of sensory delights. Indulge in the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, stroll through the vibrant souks, or simply immerse yourself in the tranquility of your own private riad. The Royal Mansour is a true oasis of luxury and an invitation to experience the enchantment of Marrakesh. And there you have it, our captivating journey through the world's most luxurious hotels. From the towering elegance of Burj Al Arab in Dubai to the secluded paradise of Suniva Jani in the Maldives, from the timeless glamour of Ritz Paris to the iconic charm of the Plaza in New York, from the alpine splendor of Badrutz Palace Hotel in the Swiss Alps to the urban oasis of Aman Tokyo in Japan and the exotic grandeur of Royal Mansour in Marrakesh, each destination offers a unique tapestry of luxury and enchantment. Remember, in these extraordinary hotels, the limits of indulgence are surpassed, and dreams become reality. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of luxury and let your imagination roam free.